YakBack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Let's make a monster today. Let's get our bag, and we're going to practice saying our monster words. Can you help me say our monster words as we make our monster? We got some eyes. We have some eyes. And let's say our monster words. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. Can you practice saying the monster word with me? Oh, ma. Now let's put the eyes on the monster. Make sure you have a parent help you. The glue can be hot. We put the eyes on. Put eyes on. Oh, now our monster has eyes. Look at his yellow eyes. Let's say some more monster words. Say the monster word with me. Ooh, ma. Ooh, ma. Ooh, ma. Ooh, ma. Ooh, ma. Can you say ooh, ma? Oh, let's give the monster a horn. We're going to glue on his red horn. He has one red horn and 2 yellow eyes. Should we give him his other horn? No. 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 Is that a silly monster word? No. Let's glue the horn on the monster. That way he can have 2 horns. 2 red horns. He has 2 red horns. And he has 2 yellow eyes. Okay, let's give him a nose. Say the monster word with me. Auto. Auto. Can you say the monster word like a monster? Auto. 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 Okay, let's give him a green nose. We'll glue it on our monster. Oh, our monster has a green nose, 2 yellow eyes, and he has 2 red horns. 2 red horns. Okay, time to say another monster word. Mo. Say it with me. Mo. Let's say it like a monster. Mo. Mo. Okay, let's give the monster some pointy teeth. I think monsters should have pointy teeth. Don't worry, I still think he's nice. He just has some pointed teeth. What a silly monster we've made. Look at our monster. We can make him talk. He can say the monster words now. Yep. Silly monster. Oh, he can say his words. Auto. Oh, is he going to eat the word? Oh, he's eating the word. He doesn't want to say goodbye. He wants to eat his monster words. Amo. Look, he's eating Amo. No. Eno. Oh, look at that monster eat Eno. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. Oh, the monster's eating Oma. Ooh, ma. Uma. Oh, he ate Uma. Oh no, don't eat us, monster. Uh-oh, bye-bye.
YakBack Pack.